What's up guys, Antipython here, and I'm just doing a massive fuck around on Skate 3. Where's the AI skaters? Where's everybody? Because I want to hit them in the freaking face. Little bitch. The fuck do you fucking say that? You fucking say that to me? You didn't fucking say that to me, bitch. Damn it. Wait. No. What's that? No. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Place marker. Train coming. Oh, it's gotta hurt. Push off. Push off. Push off. How did he not see me? But how retarded is he? I'm not even gonna ask how he's that stupid. Ow! Okay, that looked cool in the beginning, but no, it wasn't. No, stop, stop, stop! No! Okay, good. No, no, push. Aww. Going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, spread eagle. Get a ball. Get a ball, keep going. No. Oh, this probably would have happened. Alright, let me do this. Do it like a boss. Bitches. Woo! Motherfucker! Alright, let's try to do 900. That's not 900. Damn it. Fuck. Okay, leave this. Leave this place. Ooh. We hit all these people, get them angered at us. Damn it. Oh, bitch. So cool. Got a backwards hat. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. What the fuck? What is it? Not even freaking moving. Glitcher. So glitch. Glitching. Glitching. Glitcher. Glitcher. Glitch. Okay, fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck. 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 Bleh. Nah. Ow. Shit. Oh, bitch! Oh, he clobbered me. Okay, let's watch that again. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm the black dude. Watch this in slow motion. Okay, let's start it here. Okay, I'm saving that replay. I don't care. I'm saving that. That is gold. That is awesome. I love that. It's awesome. Woo! Okay, let's do this spot. See? Okay, let's do this shit. Owned, bitch. Suck my dick. Okay, let's kill this. Planter unlocked. I don't care. I don't give a shit. Alright, let's... Aw. That was a bad grind. No! I hate you! Oh, fuck. Could you seriously be, like, any more in the way? Thank you. Thank you for moving. Yes! Bitches! Suck this! Suck this! Suck this, you motherfucker! Yes! Wait, it still wants me to do the spot? Let's see if I can go more than killed it. Oh, I just beat my personal best. I'm pretty sure. I can do that. That's not that hard. Oh shit. Oh, bastards. Okay. Get away! Get out of my face! Ugh, get out of here! Oh shit. Shit. Owned. Uh. Oh, I'm gonna do that again. Oh, so close. Oh! Yeah! 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 Okay, now it's really just fuck around. Alright. Get as many people mad at us as possible. The bitch. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Get the fuck down. Did I tell you to get back up? I didn't tell you to get back up. But, no, I recommend you stay down. Yes, I do. Now you got stay back down. No. Stay the fuck down, bitch. Stay the fuck down. The bank robbery. Okay, now it's time to get the fuck out of here. Woo! Oh wow, I'm still in the spot. Haha, they're not on me anymore. my arm. What the fuck? Look at that. Look at that shit. What happened to my arm? Yum, 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 yum. What the hell? Alright guys, I'm gonna end this. Alright guys, this is Anti-Python, signing out.